To use calendar on the Apple Watch, first of all, you will have to open Apps screen, and you've got two options. You can use the default calendar that is available on this device, or you can go into the App Store and download, for example, the Google Calendar. So that's up to your preferences. In my case, I will go with the default Apple Calendar. Now, if you click on the three dots in the right bottom corner, you are able to change your view options. So if you want to see the whole month, you have to select this one. And now by using Crown Control button, you can check for the next or the previous months. And if I want to add some event to the calendar, I can quickly do that by tapping on the week. And now I can pick a specific day. So now, as you can see, by clicking on the three dots in the right bottom corner, by clicking then on the plus, let's do this one more time. As you can see, I'm able to create a new event, set title, location, select start date, start time, end date, and end time. And also I can set repeat, I can invite someone, I can set some alerts, notes, and I can even pick the different calendar between home and the work. And that's basically everything. Once you actually create your event, you will have to click here and it will be visible just over here. Now, if I'm gonna open this event, as you can see, I can still edit this one, or I can quickly delete and basically get rid of it. So this is the base functionality of the calendar on the Apple Watch.